Get ready to experience a remarkable property near Sevierville, Pigeon Forge, and Gatlinburg. This is 3020 Douglas Dam Road in the heart of Kodak. This tremendous estate is complete with 2 homes. The original offers 3 bedrooms and 1 bath with over 1,000 square feet of living area, including a detached 2-car garage with workshop. This brick 2-story, 3-bedroom, 2 3/4 bath provides over 1,800 square feet of living area. You are surrounded with over 20 acres of gently rolling, open farmland with barn, all unrestricted and a solid investment for the horse lover, developer, or investor. Bring your dreams to your private tour. Call Peggy Sue Gibson of Crye-Leike Realtors of Pigeon Forge direct at 865-368-1760.